Imagine this. You're parked beside a quiet lake. The sun is slowly going down. The sky is glowing orange and pink. You slide open the door of your campervan, step inside, and instead of feeling cramped, you feel calm, comfortable, at home. You make a cup of coffee, sit down, and listen to nothing but nature. And when night falls, you don't walk to a public bathroom. You don't wait in line at a campsite shower. You simply close your own bathroom door inside your tiny van. Now, here's the crazy part. This camper van is barely longer than a normal city van. It's compact, it's easy to drive, and yet it has a real bathroom with a toilet and a shower.
Today, we are taking a full tour of the Pössl Roadcar R540, a campervan that might just be the world's smallest campervan with a proper enclosed bathroom. The big question is simple. Is this the ultimate tiny adventure machine, or is it just smart design hiding compromises? Let's find out together.
From the outside, the Roadcar R540 looks clean and modern. It doesn't scream luxury motorhome. It doesn't look oversized or intimidating. In fact, that's the first thing that makes it special. It feels approachable. The size is compact, built on a short wheelbase platform, which means driving it feels natural. If you can drive a normal van or even a large SUV, you can drive this without stress. That alone makes it attractive for first-time camper owners. The front design is smooth and practical. Large windshield, modern headlights, simple grille. Nothing over the top, but everything feels well balanced. As you move to the side, you notice the classic sliding door. This is where your daily van life begins. Above, you can equip it with solar panels for off-grid adventures. There's an extendable awning for shade on sunny days. Storage compartments are smartly integrated without making the van bulky or awkward. And that's the beauty of this camper. From the outside, you would never guess how complete the inside feels. Step inside and immediately the space feels bright. Light wood finishes, soft LED lighting, clean lines. The layout is simple but welcoming. For such a small camper van, it doesn't feel dark or tight. The designers clearly focused on using every inch wisely. Right behind the driver's seat, you have a compact dinette area. 2 comfortable seats, and a table. It may sound basic, but this is where mornings begin. Coffee, breakfast, planning your next destination. And here's a smart detail. The front driver and passenger seats swivel around. That means the cockpit becomes part of your living space. Suddenly, this small van gives you a 4-seat lounge area. In a vehicle under 5.5 meters long, that's impressive. The cushions feel supportive. The materials feel durable. Nothing feels cheap or temporary. Overhead cabinets provide storage for clothes and essentials. Underseat compartments hide extra space. Every corner has a purpose. For a camper this size, Now let's move to the kitchen area, because in small camper vans, this is usually where you feel the limitations. But here, it's cleverly done. You get a 2-burner gas stove for cooking real meals, not just heating snacks. There's a stainless steel sink with a proper faucet. Below, a fridge large enough for weekend trips or even longer adventures if you pack smartly. Counter space is limited, of course, but there's enough room to prepare meals comfortably. Some models even offer foldable extensions to increase workspace. The cabinets close smoothly. Drawers are placed where you need them. Everything feels practical. You're not getting a luxury apartment kitchen, but you're getting something complete and functional. And in a van this small, that's what truly matters.
Now we come to the highlight, the feature that makes this camper van stand out in its category, the bathroom. Yes, inside this compact van, there is a real enclosed bathroom. Open the door and you'll find a wet bath setup with a cassette toilet, a foldable sink, and a shower head. The walls are waterproof, the space is compact, but it's private. You can close the door and have your own personal space. You can shower inside your van without stepping outside. That changes everything for many travelers. In most small campervans, the bathroom is the first thing to disappear to save space. Some offer only portable toilets. Some skip the shower completely, but the Roadcar R540 keeps it. That decision makes it unique. Is it as spacious as a large motorhome bathroom? Of course not. But is it practical and usable? Absolutely. For solo travelers or couples, it's more than
Moving to the rear of the van, you'll find the sleeping area. A transverse double bed stretches across the width of the vehicle. It's cozy, supportive, and designed for 2 people. Windows on both sides bring in natural light during the day and fresh air at night. Soft lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere in the evening.
Under the bed, there's a surprisingly large storage garage. You can fit camping gear, folding chairs, luggage, and even bicycles depending on configuration. This hidden storage area makes long trips much easier because you don't have to sacrifice living space for gear. Driving the Roadcar R540 feels smooth and comfortable. Modern dashboard layout, touchscreen infotainment system, air conditioning, safety systems like ABS and stability control. It doesn't feel like driving a heavy RV. It feels closer to driving a large car or van. That makes city driving, tight parking, and long highway journeys far less stressful. Fuel efficiency is also better compared to bigger motorhomes. That means lower running costs and more freedom to explore without constantly worrying about fuel expenses.
So why is this campervan so unique? Because it balances size and comfort in a smart way. You get a real bathroom in a very short van, you get a comfortable sleeping area, you get a practical kitchen, and you still get easy drivability. Many competitors remove the bathroom to make space feel larger. This one keeps the essentials without making the van feel overcrowded.
Now, I want to hear from you. Would you choose a small campervan like this with a full bathroom? Or would you go for a bigger motorhome with more space but less flexibility? Could you imagine living and traveling in something this compact? Let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious what you prefer. At the end of the day, the Pössl Roadcar R540 is about freedom. It's about waking up anywhere you choose. It's about parking without fear. It's about having everything you need and nothing you don't. It proves that you don't need a huge motorhome to experience van life. Sometimes smaller is smarter. You get mobility, you get independence, you get simplicity. And yes, you get your own private shower. So, is this the world's smallest campervan with a bathroom? It just might be. And for many adventurers, that makes it one of the most exciting compact campervans on the market today. If you enjoyed this full tour and want to see more incredible campervan reviews like this, make sure to like this video, comment your favorite feature, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive and lifestyle adventures. Your next journey might not require a bigger vehicle. It might just require the right one. I'll see you in the next adventure.